champions, 2 Indy winners on the starting line now.
Robert Height and Cruz Pedregon.
Oh, hold on, Cruz. That was amazing.
Somebody get the highlight reel ready.
Simply stunning. Cool conditions. It's going to be a get after it moment. Sarge back in charge. Massive explosion. Oh, big explosion. Jack Beckman just destroyed a Mopar body.
Okay down there, Jack? I'm good.
Jim Campbell, the car on the left side of your screen right now, is going to go through a big-time explosion. The bigger concern is in the other lane. Short racetrack here.
Oh, and into the catch net at the top end of the racetrack.
Timmy looking to go to his 3rd final round here and maybe get a little Heartland Park quality.
Whoa!
Oh, and he turned it sideways and all around. There's still a fire burning underneath there. A brand new chassis, a brand new body, and he climbs out disgusted.
Tim Wilkerson, left lane. John Ford, right lane. Wilk is 10th, John is 2nd. Oh, not again! No, Tim!
Boom! Look out!
Robert Height explodes one.
Oh, wow!
That was cool.
Header broke.
Whoa! Bang! Alexis right side, Force left side. Alexis late on the chute. They like swap lanes down there. Oh, and Alexis into the wall. Whoa! John puts the new Camaro into the wall. Just flat into the side of that brand new Camaro.
Another pedal fast. Whoa, hold on tight.
The mosh pit is on. That was one wild ride. Oh, boom for Tony. They're going to have some work to do tonight. There's, whoa, boom at the finish line. Courtney Forrest runs 384, 331, and exploded at the finish line.
Oh no, Latino sideways across the racetrack and a very hard hit as the car crashes across the track. Whoa, the 2 cars come together down at the finish line. They are locked up, the front ends gathered up. Terry Haddock is on fire in a big way. The Emily car and the Catspaw car leave the starting line. Oh, a huge explosion for Terry McMillan. A giant boomer for, look at that. It cleared the entire top of the engine off. There is nothing left. The supercharger is hanging off the left side of the car. Oh, big time blow up for Tommy Johnson.
Sean Langdon goes up in flame.
Stuck with the cylinder out. Oh, and big time flames. He destroyed the top of that car.
runs out of steam of the champ. Hammers on with a busted race car. Hold on tight.
Into the wall, and he is headed for the beach in a hurry. Robert Hight, 386, and then it all went wrong right down there at the finish line.
Wins the race, but more importantly, we got to make sure he's okay inside of the cockpit.
Adjustment to Chevrolet.
John's in the wall hard.
Probably stuck too. Hang on, John.
This race car will never beat me. I'm gonna fight this son of a till I figure it out, and that's a fact.
An immediate tire smoke from Monroe Guest, who went, whoa, no, a blowover at the top end of the racetrack. Steve Collier's car stood up on end and turned over backwards at about 1,000 feet.
Force up against Terry Haddock.
I know, Brittany's car gets sideways, crosses the center line, pancakes the left wall, takes back across the track, and it has come to a stop down at the far end.
Couple of champions side by side. Hight, Hagan. Oh, and double body blower. My goodness, what is happening in 2018 in the Fuel Funny Car category? Green's in trouble, boy.
Oh, man. Chad Green came across the course, the car sliding upside down into the sand trap.
Oh, and Cruz explodes one. First pair. Oh, kaboom. Cruz Pentagon. Tim Wilkerson loses traction. Robert blows up.
Robert Hight has won the race, but his car has exploded.
For John Force. He blows the body completely off of it, comes across in front of Johnny Lindbergh, and the two of them get together. A scary moment here at Wild Horse. They've now tied into each other's parachutes, but John Force's car just exploded at the finish line.